Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, how are you? It's been a while. I have absolutely missed doing YouTube videos. It's been forever. It's been way too long, but I have been very busy being a mom, as you all know. Well, maybe not everybody, but as most of you guys know, I have had a baby, and it's very difficult trying to keep on top. I don't know how people do it with babies. Like Nazmia is she's turning one, depending on when this video goes up, inshallah. And it's been a real roller coaster. And I don't know if I want to talk about it or not, but I don't know, I'm just gonna see how it goes. But right now I kind of don't want to talk about it. All I'm gonna say is it is absolutely impossible to get anything done if I have her, so that's why. But today she's just out with my sister-in-law, and I thought, you know what, I have to film a video. I'm just having a really down day, I'm not gonna lie. However, having done my makeup for the first time in absolutely forever, it feels so good, and I just feel more like myself, which is good, but not completely there. Anyway, alhamdulillah though, can't complain. So today's video, as you can see by the title, is basically a SHEIN haul. I was wearing this scarf because it looked really pretty and I was taking pictures, but it's a little bit too much. And it's a SHEIN haul. I absolutely love SHEIN. If you guys have followed me since the beginning, you know that I have been shopping here since the beginning of YouTube, which has been almost a decade now. So long, I know. And I just love their stuff. I always, even though these items were gifted to me, I always buy stuff from there anyway. A lot of the stuff that I tag on Instagram, I've actually bought myself, so it's not you know, not biased at all. The first item is actually the shirt that I'm wearing on right now. I thought I'd just show it to you guys while I'm wearing it. I want this to be a really cash video. I don't want it to be I'm just sitting here like this and talking to you guys and showing you outfits. I want it to be, and like, you know, just boom to the point. I want my videos to be a little bit more chatty and just a little bit more, you know how YouTube used to be back in the day, like that. So the quality may not be amazing, the background may not be the best. I mean, I was supposed to get the flowers up, but I did them a little bit too high, but it doesn't matter because I just want to create some content, and this is what makes me happy. This is when I feel the best, is when I'm productive and I get stuff done. I love talking about fashion and beauty, and it's something I don't get to do every day anymore, so this is loads of fun for me. And yeah, so this is basically a corduroy shirt. It's got a pocket at the front and it's got two pockets. Let me get it down a little bit for you guys. Nope, not enough. A little bit more, maybe like this. Here, as you can see, there's pockets here. This is what it looks like. It's super cool. It's really nice. I got it in a large because I really wanted it to be oversized. Very simple. Actually, with that, I wanted to pair these combat trousers, but I feel like just doesn't look that great. I feel like with heels, combat trousers and a shirt looks really nice, but with like flats, I don't really like it too much. But I kind of wanted to wear it with the shirt with flats, but I guess I can wear with trainers. That could look nice. So I got these black combat trousers. They are not that long, and I got them, you know what, I got them in a large, but actually SHEIN sizing have become more, because before they were really small, but now they're becoming a lot more true to size. And actually the large is a little bit big, but I could wear it as like oversized, so I don't mind. I really like them. It's a great like, it's really good quality. It's a really nice black, like it's black, and like it looks nice. It doesn't look cheap. And also I love that the fabric is quite thin, but it's completely opaque, which is great for summer, so I don't have to worry about that. So that's those. And I'm gonna like I can't speak. I'm gonna do a separate styling video with some of these items later, because I really want to do some styling videos, and I don't really want to today. I just want to sit and chat. I'm in that mood, so I'm really sorry guys if you did want to try and haul. I'm just feeling like that. And then I got these trousers, which are basically like Zara did the exact same ones, but theirs is actually, I think they still have them in store, but it's a cotton fabric, whereas this is chiffon and it is see-through. But I don't mind that because I've lost them. I had some white leggings, 3/4 leggings from Primark, and I was gonna wear them under this, but I just love it. And it comes with a matching belt. It's just so gorgeous. I love this kind of print, and I just love experimenting with different things with Shein, because everything is so affordable that I feel like you can afford to experiment and see what works on you and see what doesn't work on you. That's like a summer thing that I got. Then I picked up this coat just because I got rid of all my coats. I think I've only left 2 or 3 of the coats I had this year, because I was like, I'm done with the style I was going for. I didn't really like. I was really insecure in my body after having a baby, so the stuff I was wearing wasn't flattering, or it was like too long and too big, and I want to start dressing a little bit more like, not fitted, but stuff that actually fit me, and it's not a size extra large, because I was just wearing extra large and everything, and it actually, instead of making me feel better about my weight, it did the opposite. It just made me feel fat, and then I realized I'm not fat. And so I picked up this coat. It's still my style, but it's a little bit different because it's for once it's not absolutely long. It just comes above my knees, which is not something I go for, but I just, like I said, it's not ironed. I'm so sorry. And then it's got these gorgeous pearl buttons, and then this, I didn't iron this, I'm really sorry, but it's got this gorgeous arm detail like that, and it's got pearls there. So it's very similar to my mint coat that I have like this, but I got this in a medium as well. But I wanted a coat that was really glam and pretty, but it still was like, but it fitted me, because like I said, a lot of my coats were extra large, and I was so done with that. Next is something I've been wearing a lot. Since I got this package quite a while ago, I've been trying not to wear anything apart from this, but I've just been obsessed with it. It's so comfortable. I went, as you will see in the haul, I went really crazy with pajamas, and I just love their pajama range. They've got gorgeous range. Like I said, they're super affordable. So these are like jersey cotton ones that I have been loving wearing. They've got flamingos, so I did Nazmia's birthday party flamingo themed, and I bought a bunch of pajamas that were flamingo themed, and I just wanted something different. These are just standard, they're just wide trousers, and then it came with like a kimono style top like this, and it's just really nice and comfy, and I just really liked it. I wanted something like this for ages, and I was reluctant to buy it because I thought the quality wouldn't be great, but I'm so glad I went and got it this time round. And it's this really cute furry hoodie. It is a cropped hoodie, which is something I have never ever, I don't even think I owned. Since, not counting from when I was a child, but in my teenage and adult years, I don't think, okay, teenage definitely I did, adult. So since turning 18, 19, I've not owned anything cropped with like jumpers and hoodies and stuff. So this is my first one, and it's got like a teddy hood. Absolutely love it. This is so cute and fuzzy. I had wanted a lemon dress for the longest time, couldn't find one that's like suits my body type, my body shape, and also kind of like how modest I want it to be. But I found this t-shirt and I absolutely love it, and I love how bright the print is. I got it in a medium. I love how bright the print is. It's just great. It's such a gorgeous summer piece. I feel like I should have worn that today. I would have gone with my little background. I might wear that for another video actually. Then I picked up this snakeskin dress. I really wanted one dress this time around, and I just wanted, the thing is, Rima, so if you guys know Rima Tanmori, she wore this gorgeous, I can't remember whether it was a dress or a jumpsuit to a party, or I know she wore one to her baby's first birthday party, but I'm sure she's got another one. Anyway, oh, to a wedding. And I just got so inspired. I had to get one, and it's this snake print dress, and it's brown. Sorry, that's actually the back, but you know what? I really like that if that's the front. Like, how nice would that be? Anyway, that's the back. It's got like, you just tie this as a bow. Basically, it does have a v-neck, but that's absolutely fine. I can wear like a cream or brown or black top underneath. Personally, I wouldn't wear black. I hate wearing like black tops underneath dresses and stuff. Does cinch in at the waist, and then it just goes down. There's like a ruffle, and then it goes all the way down. It is quite long, but I have these really nice wedges that I want to wear with that. Next is another flamingo themed pajama, which look, well, pajamas, which is this top. Super cute. I got this in a large because I just wanted to be really, really comfy, and I did want a little bit more coverage with it, which is why I got it quite big. And then with that, I'm like sitting here like, hey guys. And then with that, I got these trousers, which are also a large because it came as a set, and they're just so cute. I just really love this, and I'm just gonna keep the flamingo theme going for as long as I want. Then I got, what's this? Oh, so this is part of a 4-piece pajama set, I believe. So this is the vest. I mean, the vest is nothing amazing really. I didn't get it for the vest, so it just comes with like a really plain green vest like this. I got that in a medium. I kind of just got different sizes because I looked at how wide it was on the model and then just guessed it. And then there's matching shorts. Okay, these shorts are supposed to be like really wide. I didn't, by the way, I'm just showing you that, guys, this set first because it all came as one, and I'm not really too like not bothered about this. The reason why I got it was because, where is it? So I really liked these trousers. They're like super wide, but I love that it comes as a 2-piece. It's really cool because you can mix and match everything, which is great if you like if the top's in the wash, then you can mix it with another top, and you know, vice versa. These are the trousers. They're super cool, pink and green again, and with that comes like this kimono. And really, it was the trousers and the kimono that really sold it to me. But it's like a really loose kimono. It kind of looks like a scarf, but it's not. And then you can just do whatever you can, like, it's got sleeves like this, so it's got batwing sleeves, and then you can just leave it flowing. You can like tie it up. I'm not really showing it the best way possible right now. You can like tie it if you want, but why I love this is like when the postman comes, or if anybody comes over and I'm wearing pajamas, I'm still modest, and like I love wearing pajamas. And I feel like now that I live in a house, I prefer to wear pajamas more than regular clothes. Then I picked up this piece, which I just love. I'm really into this right now, and it's this like isn't this like a famous painting or something? Is it like Japanese or Chinese? Anyway, I know it's something, I've seen it somewhere, I just cannot remember what it was. But once again, just plain trousers. With that comes this matching kimono, and it's basically like just the kimono, and then you can just wear like a white vest or something underneath. I love this. Also, this is great for breastfeeding and stuff. As you can see, everything is like super breastfeeding friendly because I ain't got time. And then I got 2 last pajamas. Okay, so this pajama set I have been eyeing up on a very expensive pajama website called Olivia and Hale. Olivia and Hale, or Olivia Hale, something like that. Anyway, something like that. They do these amazing pajamas. This is where this haul got inspired by the way. They do these amazing pajamas, and I was like, you know what, I am gonna spend my money and I'm gonna get some pajamas. But I had missed the sale because they had some pajamas for £100, which is, I know is insane, but I was like, you know what, I deserve this. And then when I went back onto the website, it was all gone, and their pajamas start from like £300. I know, crazy, right? I wasn't going to spend that much, honestly, on pajamas that I'm just going to wash and dirty. But then I saw that SHEIN had the exact same ones. Literally, they have, I don't know if they still do them, but it's not white and black. It's like cream and black, champagne and black, I guess is what you'd call it. And they had it on there. I've not tried them, but they definitely will fit. I'm just so obsessed with these pajamas. They're so cool. Like, I just want to film videos in my pajamas now because they're just, my pajamas are too cool. The only thing is, it is short sleeved and I am just so gutted about that. I wish it was long. Like, short is perfect for home, but if I want to take pictures or videos, I would have liked it to be long. And the next one, okay, I got this in an extra large because they didn't have my size. Like, they had completely sold out of medium, smalls and larges. So, and I wanted it so much that I just got it in an extra large, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna make it fit. So it's so luxurious. It comes with like this little, I don't know whether you put your pajamas in here or whether this is like a wash bag, but this is so cool. And then let's see, so there's, is this a headband? Oh my god. Okay, so there's a matching headband. There's a hairband. Okay, this is super cool. Let me put it all in this bag so I don't lose it. Then I had no idea that comes with it. Then there's a vest. I mean, it's pretty wide, but I think I can still rock it. Like, it's not gonna fall off. And then these are the trousers. These are just so luxurious. To be honest, it's not like, the legs are definitely big. I'm gonna wear it as like super oversized, but the waistband is quite like, it's a good waistband, and I think these won't fall off me. Then there's these really cute shorts. Okay, the shorts are really big, but once again, there's a nice elastic band inside which is holding it together nicely. And then there is this top. How cool. You know what, I'm gonna try this on. Okay, I am so happy that I still got this, because even though it's an extra large, like, it's kind of okay, and it's nice and long, so it covers me, and like the sleeves are a little bit long, but it's pajamas, it doesn't matter, I can always roll the sleeves up, like, it's not an issue. And then let me show you the trousers, which by the way actually fit so nicely, because what I did was I literally pulled it up to here. So they fit really nice. They fit really nice, like as if they're just really wide. You know what, don't mind the mess please, but I thought I'd show you this outfit because it's just so nice. It fits really nice. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you guys on my next one. Bye.